Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personal. Your truth is personal to you. Your own opinions and point of view reflect your own agreements and are personal to you. It's no one's truth but yours. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials close up 70, NASDAQ up 42, S&P's up 11.5. Gold contract up 260, traded at $12.55 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents, $17.14 an ounce. Platinum flat, $9.49 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.59 a pound. Light sweet crude got toasted and roasted, down $2.73, $48.63 a barrel. That came off the highs with big volume, folks. XLE, that's going into its lows with volume. It looks like it wants to do an ABC structure on the way down. Bonds, the 10-year note up 3 ticks, 126.05. 30-year bond up 10 ticks, 153.27. Now, both notes and bonds, they just don't stop. They want the higher price, lower yield. King dollar just can't hold price. Down 7 ticks, no big deal there, except that it's laying right at its lows, 97.140. The euro is 112 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.81 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're at an all-time high. You're up over all the highs. The SPY's trading 241.74. You got over the March high, 60 million shares versus 149. Bottom line, you're coming into a holiday. I suspect, this baby will either lay flat, go slightly higher tomorrow. It's going to be a very light trading day. The desks are going to basically be gone by noontime. We did 814 million shares out here today. That's in the S&P. We look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials, 21,082. That number is basically trying to get into the 21,169. Today hit 21,112. That's the high of March 1st. What the market did do, what the Dow Industrials did do today is this. The Dow Industrials have had, since March 1st, 4 lower highs, and it still has 3 lower lows. That's the definition of a downtrend. What it did do today is that it got over the last 3 highs. So it's laying right above the high in April, which was 21,070. We're at 21,082. NDX 100, all-time high. NDX 100 trading at a price point of 57.78. It was up $48. And when you go inside the NDX 100, the strength inside the NDX 100 today, you had Ultra Salon up 4.4%. Netflix was up 3.3%. CSX was up 2.7%. And American Airlines was up 2.6%. That being said, guess what? Amazon hit $9.99, folks, up $13. That good old 1,000 number more than likely will get whacked tomorrow. Google is up another $14, $9.69. There's no reason that can't go hit $1,000 tomorrow too. They're both so close. Well, Amazon's right next to it. Google, $30 on a Memorial Day weekend, pretty easy to hit. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract held the bid. Bottom line is that, we're pushing with volume here. You're up 260. Not that that's a lot. It's not. Bottom line, though, we did 189,000 contracts. That's basically pushing into the swing with volume. Gold wants to get up into this 1297 area. Silver, same type of setup in silver. Silver, up only 3 cents, but just hanging right at these highs. Where it's anything, as long as silver stays inside the $17 area, you're building cause for higher price. Now, notes and bonds, it's pretty amazing. It's like, okay, why are they continually to press into highs with volume when, in fact, the Fed's saying, okay, they're going to go down, they're going to go up on rates, which should be pushing them down. Just the opposite's occurring. The 10-year today, folks, did 2.3 million contracts. So you are pushing into the swing point that had 1.4 million with 2.3. Your probability is much higher that you are going to bust topside, and it has volume behind the move. 30-year, same setup. The 30-year has done 411,000 contracts today. That's a monster contract day. It's coming into the high out there, which had 303,000 contracts. And we're right into it. The low of the high in the 30-year is 153.15. We're at 153.27. So I expect we're going to go after it. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can take it apart. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar just laying at the lows. King dollar right now, 97.145. The low that's out here is the 96,700. This looks like King dollar, wants to go after the $95 to $96 area. The XLE, when oil was getting taken apart out here, folks, the XLE got taken apart. For a low volume market, the XLE blew volume out, did 22 million shares, went from 68 to 66.26, closed out at the low. That is going to go after its swing low from May 4th, which is 65.83. You break that, that'll bring be an ABC structure on the way down, bringing it to the $60 area. ExxonMobil, Chevron, they both couldn't handle it. Exxon also came down with volume off that high, $81.75. We did 11 million shares. Chevron also came down with volume. Bottom 5.2 million. You're going into 5.6 million. This is going to be opening up at its lows. XAU in the HUI. XAU today, flat market, 84.07. And if you do take a look at this XAU, what you're going to see is that we rejected lower price out here yesterday. It wants to run into this $88 area. Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. Gold Bugs Index out here, trading down 240 today. Bottom line, though, what you have is that you had rejected lower price yesterday, got down to 190. Bottom line, you're at 193.72. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials are up 70, NASDAQ up 42, S&P's up 11. We're going to be right back.